नाम की ਤੁਹਾਡਾ
रोहित
रोहित सेकंड डे प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट प्लीज change the gear change the second gear okay good stop the car change the first gear okay start the car okay change the second gear okay good one round around about the ground change the first gear stop the car okay now start the car change the gear stop the car okay good start the car change the gear okay stop the car